Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we'll be looking at different occupation in Igbo language. Ọrụ dị iche n'Igbo. Ihe a na-akpọ ọrụ dị iche, different occupations, what they are being called in Igbo language. First, we are looking at teacher. Teacher, onye nkuzi. Teacher, onye nkuzi. I might be pushed to say that teachers are the teaching is the should I say the best occupation, because it is actually the teachers that produces people of other occupation. They are actually the people that teach. They are very important though. No occupation, no profession is less important, but